Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the Moses Show. We are here to make you more informed than yesterday. Today, we gather to reflect upon the rich tapestry of Haitian history, a narrative woven by the contributions and sacrifices of countless individuals who dared to shape the destiny of a nation. From the turbulent echoes of the past to the resilient spirit that defines us today, each chapter tells a story of courage, resilience, and determination. In the annals of our history, there stand towering figures whose names are etched in the collective memory of our people, guiding lights who illuminated the path to freedom and sovereignty. Allow me to share with you a glimpse into the lives and legacies of these key historical figures who have left an indelible mark on the heart of Haiti. First among them, Toussaint Louverture, a beacon of hope in the darkest of times. Born of slavery yet destined for greatness, he emerged as a visionary leader during the tumult of the Haitian